Another good thing with the audio system in this Range Rover Sport is if we go to music, you'll see there on the record Range Rover Sport at the bottom. If I click on that, you can see iPhone or Range Rover Sport. The tick next to the Range Rover Sport means anything that's going to play on your phone, any audio, whether it be anything, Spotify, YouTube, soundtrack to a video, Apple Music, you name it, it will play through here. So let's just go back. So I'll turn this down, click play, over to the audio system. Now, if I click audio video there, I'll turn it down so I don't get copyrighted. You'll see Lindy's Farm, Run for Home there. That's it playing through the system. Now, if you don't see that, what you have to do is click on that source button. So we'll go through it a different way. So it's on auxiliary. We'll exit out of that. So we want to play this. That's playing. We go over to here. You've got audio, video, and source there. There's a plus. Click the plus. That allows you to select auxiliary, USB, CDs, iPod, Barry's iPhone, and that's it. So that's it playing. Thanks for watching.